what is this? It is diversity, equity and inclusion. So there is a lot of diversity around us. कलर्स अलग होते हैं लोगों के, रेस अलग होती है, जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन, खाना पीना अलग होता है, जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी है, पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट एज वर्किंग टुगेदर, दैट्स एज डाइवर्सिटी, कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी, एबिलिटी, some people are differently abled, some people are specially abled, right? And of course LGBTQ. So diversity, there is something called a gender unicorn. So these are people who identify their gender in a particular way, and they also identify how they want to interact with other genders in what way. But there's the second term that we should see, that is called equity. There's a difference between equality and equity. As you can see in the picture, equality is when everybody gets the same platform. Equity is when everybody gets to the same results by using different levels of resources. Okay, that's equity. So equity could be in pay. Salary सबका same होना चाहिए अगर काम same है तो that is pay equity. Educational equity, everybody should get an opportunity to be educated. Health equity, health services should be available to everybody without discrimination, that's health equity. Workplace equity at office, and access to resources to grow yourself, right? That's equity. And then there is inclusion. Inclusion is because there's diversity, we need to include those people. Nobody should feel out of place. Normally, since childhood, हमको जब भी कोई फॉर्म फिल करना होता था, सेक्स में 2 कॉलम्स होते थे, मेल फीमेल. आजकल उसमें टी आता है. टी पता है क्या है? ट्रांसजेंडर, राइट? That's the third one that has come. We'll do a game of imagination. You don't have to close your eyes now. But imagine करना है आंखें खुली रख के. ठीक है? जो पिक्चर दिखता है, अगर उसमें मेल दिखाई देता है, मेल, तो आप क्लैप करोगे. ठीक है? मैं आपको लोगों के प्रोफेशंस बोलूंगा. अगर आपको मेल दिखाई देता है, इमेजिन करते हो, तो आप क्लैप करोगे. कारपेंटर, फैब्रिकेटर, टर्नर एंड फिटर, ऑयल रिग ड्रिलर, सोलर पैनल इंस्टॉलेशन एंड एक्सपर्ट, बारटेंडर, स्वीपर, ओके, ब्लैक कैट कमांडोज. Do you know who is this guy? He's Colonel Gaddafi. These are Muslim nations. The commandos are women, black commandos. Jeweler, snake charmer. Okay, ये तो है, मतलब डीप सी डाइवर हो गया, F1 रेस, प्लम्बर, पेंटर, तांत्रिक, ये तो मर्द होना चाहिए. कूली, ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर, that is a delivery girl. So do you agree that a woman is an all-rounder? Very good, everybody agrees. So here is the time when I invite Rachna ma'am.
So we are equating a woman or creating an image of a woman who is superwoman and doing everything. Do we see a man like this? Men also, our fathers also take care of us. They do carpentry work at home sometimes. They will be a plumber at times. They will be driving a car for us sometimes. Why don't we see a man like that? Why do we not circulate such pictures on Father's Day? We only see these kind of things. Do you understand what the society is stereotyping women as? So it's about creating an image. It's again the same stereotype which is being created and being imposed on us through various channels, saying that anybody who is a working woman is a superwoman because she takes care of home, she takes care of children, she takes care of parents, etc., etc. But you understand that is it a reality? It is not a reality. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is like this. Neither a man nor a woman. So when we say that women take such kind of roles and they are able to balance it out, there is a lot of pressure, expectation and the stigma of being where you are Actually, we are born with very neutral outlook towards life, but it's about a society which makes us choose between these things. And similar is the effect of jobs being taken or getting into different walks of life. So women are not there to take anybody's jobs. They were created, and since there was a shortage of labor in the society, women were invited to participate in the workforce and take on that load of men. And this started happening way back from the era of World War II. There was shortage of people who would go out and fight for their country. They needed women to fulfill the other positions, and that's when in the industries they started working. They started working in various other military channels and everywhere. So it was not about by choice. Somewhere it came out of a need, and that now is an aspiration which has grown beyond the need.
Men and women are not equal. We are not equal, but we are not unequal. We are biologically different. But it is the family upbringing, school education, advertisements, media around us, the world around us, that makes us feel that we are not equal. Men are more logical, rational, aggressive, exploitative, very strategic, independent. Women are tolerant, cooperative, faithful. These are the gender stereotypes that have been created. These have been fed to us right since our childhood. So sex is what you're born with. You're born a girl, a boy, trans. You're born with it. Gender is something that you learn socially. Okay, that's the difference between sex and gender. So gender is a social construct. The society decides what's the gender of that person, not the person. The person is born with sex. Do you agree with this? This was done by BBC. So the clothes were interchanged. The girls were wearing boys' clothes and boys were wearing girls' clothes.
Look at this. Look at this. Do you like a dolly? She'll go for the dolly. You're a good little girl, aren't you, Sophie? Look, what does this say? Sweet treat.
So just because the child was dressed up as a girl, immediately the volunteer gave her dolls, pink colored toys.
Ooh, look at this.
Can we do something about the video? This goes blank.
Meow, meow. I think she liked that pink dolly the best.
If I were to tell you actually that Sophie is Edward,
Ah,
does
well,
that change anything?
I maybe thought, oh, this is a little girl, so I have to give her little girl things.
Hello. 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 Come on.
What's this one? Oh, what's that one do? Is that a robot? What about this? Oh, you like that one? What does this one do? Oliver.
You've gone for, you could say, boy toys. For this boy.
Possibly in my subconscious, but for me, I was just going for what was around me, but in fact my subconscious was automatically playing a trick on me.
If I tell you that he is actually a girl.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's really interesting. I suppose it's because of the stereotype.
And then that changed your behaviour
Yes,
towards
it
the
did.
child.
It did.
And your
I
behaviour
can't
was
lie, yeah,
quite
it did.
directive.
1, 2, 3.
Beep, 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 beep. Can I see my robot?
She's basically a robot, a puzzle game. I think she's been much more physical in handling the child than the other ones have been.
So the moot point is, if you treat a child like a girl, within 3 months, the behavior and the thoughts of that child change as if it's a girl, or as if he or she is a boy. It's completely dependent on what sort of treatment is given by the family. That's the research they did. Within 3 months it happened. Okay. Do you agree with this? Okay, do you agree with this? Tall, broad shoulders, macho, strong. Girl should be slender, delicate, cute little doll. Do you agree? So actually this used to be a job to around 100 years back, a wife trainer. ठीक है, और 10-12 साल की लड़कियों को ऐसे केज वगैरह डाल के वो ट्रेन करते थे हाउ टू बी अ गुड वाइफ. देयर वाज अ जॉब इन यूरोप, वाइफ ट्रेनर. इंडिया में आज भी है. शादी से पहले आपको जो काउंसलर मिलेंगे या जो आप पार्लर में जाओगे, कपड़े पहनने जाओगे, वो सब आपको वाइफ ट्रेनर्स ही है. वो आपको ट्रेन करते हैं हाउ टू बी अ गुड वाइफ. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सर्वे. Okay, this is about men beating women in India. The black bar is criticize. You can criticize a woman, and red one is you can beat a woman. And this is survey done on women. These are women who are participants. Okay. So if you disobey men in the family, 24% women felt it is okay to beat her up. एक थप्पड़ मार दो उसको, लाइन पे आ जाएगी. क्या नहीं सुन रही है पापा की. Spending money without asking. बच्चों की देखभाल नहीं कर पाती है तो उसको 2-4 थप्पड़ लगा दो, लाइन पे आ जाएगी. खाना नहीं बनाया ठीक से, नमक ज्यादा डाल दिया, पीट दो. 41% women, they felt that yes, they deserved a beating because they didn't cook well. They deserved verbal violence, physical violence, because they did something wrong. And that's why he is scolding me कि बॉयफ्रेंड ने गुस्सा किया या हस्बैंड ने गुस्सा किया, यार मेरी ही गलती थी. मुझे तो मालूम है ना उसको गुस्सा आता है ऐसे करने से, मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. 80%. Look at the sex ratio. In some states like Haryana, it has gone down to 800. Okay, so 200 men are not going to get any girl to marry, except Kerala, where the women are more than men. Everywhere else the ratio is going down. High school dropouts. 57% girls leave high school before 7th standard. 57%. Some weird reason. Hygiene dropout, 20%. Just because her periods have started, the parents withdraw her. Housework के लिए कि घर में काम कौन करेगा यार, स्कूल पढ़ लिख के क्या कर लेगी. 40% dropout. Maternity, educated females working in IT companies. These are IT numbers. 25% women quit their job or take a break after maternity. 25%. So men, we don't know we do these things, but women are observing. Okay, and they are making fun of us. And we are laughing at ourselves. Is that the right thing to do? The tagline is, men will be men. But just imagine you're sitting with your group of friends, having a beer or something and watching this ad, and you'll say, hi, yeah, this is okay. Men are men. Men should be like this. Right? That's how the narrative gets created by media, by advertisements, through movies, through novels, through the society. That's how it gets created. Let's have a look at the inequality. So 20% girls in India, they get married even before turning 18. Decision making. What makes a person powerful, what makes a person, the real personality come out is how the person decides, what sort of decision making skills the person has. Women, they participate in 35% of decisions that are made in a house. This is about home. घर में कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स चीज लेनी होती है, men decide. कार लेनी होती है, men decide. Right? घर का डेकोरेशन, कर्टन्स लेना है, women decide. बेडशीट लेना है, women decide. किचन का सामान लेना है, women decide. Who decided all these things? Nobody. It's just the society, it got constructed that way, and that's how we have restricted our decision making too. So today women, they participate in only 35% of decision making. What is wrong with this picture? Have you ever seen a man like this? That narrative gets created that there is inequality and women need to do something extra to become equal to men. If you agree with this picture, have a look. Okay, if you agree with this, is it right? Women see more color. Very good point. He says it's about the observation and it is true. There is some change, na? You are not able to see. Ladies, do you agree? Again, both are true. Scientifically proven true. There's a reason why it happens this way. There's nothing wrong with it. What do you think her reaction should have been? अगर कोई ईव टीज करता है, वो दोनों बेचारी कॉलेज आ रही है, कोई बंदे आकर बाइक से चक्कर लगाते हैं और फिर सीटी बजाते हैं, तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन होना चाहिए था? छेड़छाड़ करने वाले डरपोक होते हैं. They will always look for a situation or an area where nobody is around. ऐसे situation में you make a lot of loud noise, or once they know that she is going to create ruckus, they will run away. But that session we'll have on 10th. But I just wanted everybody to know that right in front of your college also harassment happens to your own friends. Okay, so men, boys, when you are outside, be on the lookout. If you see such type of elements, immediately inform your security guard. Be aware that these things are happening right at the doorsteps of your college. If we look at these ads, if we look at these images that movies and everywhere the society projects, if we continue following that path, there will be no woman on this stage after another 20 years. एक या दो बचेगी यहाँ पर. Do we want that sort of a society? No. The change starts from us, from men. The women don't have to change, we have to change. Bias दिख रहा है, gender bias? For some people it is not funny, it is a serious thing actually. जो लोग अलग कल्चर से आए हैं, जो लोग उस seeped in culture है, male dominance, for them it's not funny. This is serious life for them. Okay, they take it very seriously. And they also do take this serious. There are many girls who come from villages. They take this also very seriously. Central government, they came up with this Nyaya Samhita. There are 3. So, especially women empowerment, law enforcement in harassment cases, teasing, and POSCO. Have you heard of POSCO? Right? It is for sexual harassment of children below 18. उसके लिए rules काफी strict बनाए गए हैं. तो even if the person, the perpetrator, the criminal is below 18, they will be treated as adults by default for such crimes. So there are a lot of good changes that have happened. Okay. अच्छा, लड़की है तो competitive, बंदा है तो competitive. Okay. अच्छा, flirtatious, लड़की है तो flirtatious, लड़का है तो, लड़कों को ज्यादा है यार, ठीक है. ओके, तो देखो हमने वर्ड्स को भी, ये सिंपल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के वर्ड्स है, हमने इन वर्ड्स को भी जेंडर में असाइन कर दिया. टफ स्किन्ड है, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट है, स्ट्रांग है, रेबेलियस है, बंदा ही होगा. ग्रेसफुल है, लड़की ही होगी. मैम इज वेरी ग्रेसफुल इन हर साड़ी. एग्रेसिव, कॉम्पिटिटिव, बंदा ही होगा. तो certain words have also been assigned a gender. So the question is, who is responsible for this? Directly or indirectly, all of us are responsible. It's not men, it's not women. Directly or indirectly, all of us are responsible. The entire society is very responsible for this situation. एक reason तो ये आता है कि men are stronger, correct? Men are stronger biologically. That's why they are dominant. But that's not true. क्योंकि जो हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है या प्रेसिडेंट होता है वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट तो नहीं होता है, वहां पर इंटेलिजेंस आता है. सो इज इट बिकॉज मेन आर मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन वुमेन? नो, इंटेलिजेंस वाइज ऑल्सो वी आर सेम. तो व्हाट इज द रीजन? बायस आया कहां से और ये ग्रो कैसे हुआ? लुक एट द मेन व्हाट दे आर डूइंग एंड लुक एट द वुमेन व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. एक बंदा लकड़ी तोड़ रहा है, दूसरा लेकर आ रहा है, तीसरा स्टोर कर रहा है, चौथा कुछ वो बना रहा है, वेपन्स, औजार बना रहा है. There's an old lady weaving a basket. There's a girl, she's cooking or preparing something, some food. Okay, एक बंदी पानी लेकर आ रही है. Some ladies are working in the field. Right? So we have to go back to at least 30-40,000 years in history. One thing is very crystal clear, men are biologically stronger than women. हम जब छोटे होते हैं तो डर लगता है ना, बेड के नीचे कोई मॉन्स्टर होगा, मम्मी को बुलाना है, मम्मी देखो कबर्ड में कोई है, इधर कोई है. तो ये एक्चुअल सिचुएशन ये साइकोलॉजिकली हम में ऐसी आई है कि अराउंड 30-40,000 years back these things actually used to happen. There were monsters. What were those monsters? There were wolves, there were tigers, there were lions, there were hyenas. They used to steal the human babies. Okay? So that's why human used to search for a cave where the family can be kept safely. रात में कोई लेकर ना जाए monster. And since men were stronger, they could run faster, they were built stronger, so they could go and hunt. When they go and hunt, the woman will be there, okay? And once she goes into pregnancy, another year or so, she can't run. She can't be physically as strong as that what she was earlier. So they need to stay at the cave. That's how the process started. So those were Stone Age strategies, that men are physically stronger, biologically stronger, women need to be protected, children need to be protected, so they need to be kept in the caves. That's how it happened. After that, we came out of the cave, but there were a lot of wars, right? और wars में क्या कौन सी दो चीजें लूटी जाती थी? Women and cattle. They were the two things that the winning side used to take with them. Why women? Is it only for pleasure? No, because only women can reproduce. So अगर society को बड़ा करना है, अपने clan को बड़ा करना है, we need more women. If you have more women, we can have more children, our clan can become larger, we can become stronger, we can have dominance over this area and all the resources will be for us. And cattle, of course, cattle तो लगेगा ही काम के लिए वगैरह. The men were out fighting, hunting. So all they were worried about what is moving and what is not moving, what is dangerous for me, what is not dangerous for me. And once I kill this, all I need to do is go home, give it to the ladies and then go back again for hunting. Because a hunt may take 1 day, 10 days, 1 month or sometimes 2-3 months also. So they were always on the run trying to do the hunt. Now once this was given to the women, now they had to find a way of cooking, making it palatable. Taste अच्छा आना चाहिए इसका. उसके अंदर और क्या कर सकते हैं, कपड़े कैसे स्टिच करेंगे, stitch good clothes so that when those men are going out and if there is snow, they don't feel the cold, they get protected. So fashion sense started coming into women more, color sense started coming, they started identifying more colors, they had time for it. Men did not have. Same thought processes continued. So if everybody agreed on this slide, all of us, we agreed, right? It's the truth. There's a scientific reason for that. Same goes for this. The women who were there, they had the time to look at each other, judge कि ये पहनने से अच्छा लगता है. This is better. This looks better on me. To my skin color. This is better in winters. This is better in summers. That's why the wardrobe size of even the cave women was larger than that of the men at that time. Right? The hunting society was called Society 1.0. Hunters gatherers. Then we started farming, agrarian society, that was 2.0. Then the industrial revolution, which was barely 100 years back. That was society 3.0. Right now we are an information society 4.0 and slowly we are going to become a super smart society, which is society 5.0. But the gender norms, the gender behavior that we are following are still of society 1.0. The society has evolved. The gender norms also need to evolve. We are no longer staying in a cave. We don't need to protect our women. Women can protect themselves. They have enough strength, they have enough tools, they have enough knowledge and intelligence to protect themselves. So that वो protective male वाला role change करके the men need to change their thought process. And that's what is called gender neutral. Because what happens with gender stereotypes, it is very harmful for development of an individual. जिसको घर से ये बोला गया है कि गलत काम करने से आपको एक थप्पड़ मिलेगी. When she gets into a relationship and she meets an abusive boyfriend or a guy and this guy continues this abusive behavior, the girl may think this is normal. Like those 80% women felt that it was their mistake if they got beaten up at home. That needs to change. And that needs to change from men, not from the women. Women need to become aware, but the behavior change. And what does the law say about this? So law is very clear. There are only 3 sexes. We saw sex and gender difference, right? Sex is what you're born with. So there are only 3 sexes: male, female, trans. Then the society has developed certain genders and accepted it. India is still in the process of accepting a lot of other genders. At the home, there will be some reinforcement happening. You're a boy, boys don't cry. You're a girl, don't wear these clothes. Play with these dolls. You're a guy, do this, do that. तो जेंडर आइडेंटिटी घर से बनेगा, लेकिन अब जब बाहर आओगे आप उसको एक्सप्रेस करना शुरू करोगे जो घर पे सीखा है. अगर घर पे बोला गया कि मैचो है, तू तेरी सिस्टर से पहले खाना खाएगा, तू सिस्टर को पीट देगा, कोई बात नहीं, बंदा है, मैन विल बी मैन, बॉयज विल बी बॉयज, दे विल कंटिन्यू टू बी बॉयज विल बी बॉयज. व्हेन many women lawyers, they went and told the Chief Justice that you have gender bias. In Supreme Court, Supreme Court has come up with these guidelines. They have changed the way they used to address women, right? Instead of calling affair, she has an affair. No, she has a relationship out of marriage, outside marriage, a career woman. Why it should be career woman? It should be a simple woman, right? Eve teasing is called street sexual harassment now. It is a sexual harassment. Okay, so right from the top bodies, the government, the Supreme Court, everybody is very serious about it, and that seriousness needs to get translated at the lowest level. That's when this change will happen. Look at this title. This is in Times of India. Mary Kom, mother of 3, set sights on Tokyo 2020. आपने कभी सुना है रोहित शर्मा, फादर ऑफ 1, captains India? This is unconsciously, subconsciously, there's a gender bias that is there, and we think we are applauding the woman, and it's all about perceptions. Okay, न्यूज में, मीडिया में जो बने दिखेगा वो उससे परसेप्शन क्रिएट होगा, उससे बिलीफ क्रिएट होगा, एंड योर एक्शंस आर ड्रिवन बाय दैट. दैट्स हाउ यू विल एक्ट.
ये हो गया कंप्लीट एंड रिकमेंडेड प्रमोशन लिस्ट.
थैंक यू. Kiran, recommended by Rajat. Obviously.
Who's Kiran? And why obvious?
So Kiran, star of Rajat's team. Rajat उसको हर प्रोजेक्ट में ले लेता है सर. He says they make a great team. Young है, fresher है, पर रजत को उस पे पूरा भरोसा है सर. And जब देखो they're working together. Not just in office, huh? They spend weekends also on work. On discussions, brainstorming sessions, या some presentations. सबसे पहले ऑफिस आते हैं, सबसे लेट निकलते हैं. For them, it's all about work, sir.
हम भी देखें रजत का रिकमेंडेशन.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, किरण को अंदर भेजना.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. Everyone, this is Kiran.
जेंडर बायस इतना ज्यादा हमारे दिमाग में है कि इफ यू लुक एट अ सक्सेसफुल वुमन, द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड इज व्हाट हैज शी डन टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. नॉट हर हार्ड वर्क, नॉट हर इंटेलिजेंस, नॉट हर टैलेंट, बट किसकी मदद से वो इतने ऊपर पहुंच गई. एंड सम वुमेन ऑल्सो डोंट हेल्प. दे विल कम एंड से नहीं, ये करना पड़ता है, ऐसे करना पड़ता है. And then look at this perception that everybody in that meeting room was thinking that there's a lady called Kiran और उसका recommendation आया है क्योंकि ये हमेशा साथ साथ रहते हैं. Okay, all of you are going to face these situations when you enter the corporate. Perception ऐसे build हो जाता था कि बेटी पैदा हुई है तो उसके लिए, दहेज के लिए start saving for her marriage now. कोई बेटा पैदा हुआ है, शादी के लिए तैयारी करो, ये कभी नहीं आता था ऐड. ओके, परसेप्शन बिल्ड. And how do you do it? There is some central bank which will help you in doing that. So these were the ads, these were very common. Okay? That gender bias gets created through such ads. Farmland में you will find ladies carrying such things. Men का बहुत कम मिलेगा. Men आपको मिलेंगे ट्रैक्टर लेके जा रहे हैं, लकड़ियाँ तोड़ रहे हैं, कुछ हेवी ड्यूटी वर्क कर रहे हैं. ये रिसेंट है, ये 7-8 साल पुराना है. ये कैसे खाओगे इनके हाथ की रोटियां जब पैदा ही नहीं होने देगी बेटियां? तो बेटियां क्यों पैदा करो ताकि रोटियां खाने मिले. बट आपने कितना बड़ा बायस क्रिएट कर दिया. जो छोटे बच्चे गांव में ये देखेंगे वो यही बोलेंगे ना कि जो लड़कियां हैं यहाँ सारी वो मेरे लिए रोटियां बनाने के लिए आई है. लिटिल sacrifices are required, I understand, but you don't have to sacrifice everything just because I want to see the society happy, I want to see my brother happy, my father happy, husband, children. There's no end to it. Such images, they create a huge impact on women who are married, who have children. Do such images create pressure on mothers? It's not about men versus women. It's about how both of us can come together and make it a better place for both of us, because the potential that women have to grow, that potential is cut down because of this extra load that comes on them, and sharing of that load is something that needs to happen right from the home, not only in the office. It gets distributed, but at home, in the society, it is unevenly distributed right now.
These were life skills. आपको अपने कपड़े धोने आना चाहिए, अपना पेट भरना आना चाहिए और आराम से सोने के लिए आप अपना बिस्तर बना सको. ठीक है? These were life skills.
Ladies, वोटिंग का राइट नहीं था वुमेन को. इन यूएस ऑल्सो. It's not like in Islamic countries, few Islamic countries, it's still that's the case. They can't drive or they can't vote. But a progressive country like US did not have voting rights for women till few decades back. Don't hold back. Take your work home. और ऑफिस की एक बंदी को कंधे पे उठा के लेके जा रहा है और आज का टॉप हीरो है ये. How insensitive is that? What is wrong about this ad? What is wrong about this entire picture? The concept itself. ठीक है, वो किचन में है, काम कर रही है, वो बंदा अपने काम पे लगा हुआ है, ड्राइव कर रहा है, सीरियस काम कर रहा है, और ये उसको तंग करती है फोन करके, और उस बंदे का एक्सीडेंट हो गया. इसकी गलती है. Why should she call? She shouldn't be calling. Na? That poor guy is driving, he's doing some serious work, and they look at this lady, she's calling him. Don't call, you stupid woman, because he's driving. And someone said, brilliant campaign by traffic police. Is it brilliant? No. It is insensitive. The companies are thinking about gender, they are thinking about women, they are being so sensitive. They are creating products that even women can open. Cartoon depicting what a woman has to go through. This is equality. सब एक साथ रेस स्टार्ट करेंगे भाई. इक्वालिटी. अभी उसके आगे क्या क्या है वो देख लो आप. वो बेचारी सोच रही है इनके सामने तो कुछ नहीं है, ना मैटरनिटी है, ना लॉन्ड्री करनी है, ना खाना बनाना है इसको, ना कपड़े सुखाने डालने. You know, Mr. Einstein said problem cannot be solved by the same level of thinking that created them. अभी जो हमारी सोच है, इसी सोच ने ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करी है. और ये सोच आज की नहीं है, ये 30-40 हजार साल पहले हमारे जो एंसेस्टर्स थे, केवमैन थे, उनकी सोच थी. Are we cavemen? No. We are modern human beings. We are entering into society 5.0. Unless we change our thoughts, unless we start protesting and voicing our opinion about such gender-biased ads or media, things will not change. Will continue. Women will continue to suffer. Whenever this awareness session happens, 3 reactions. First is, we must have gender equality. Do you all agree we have gender equality, equity? Second is, we don't need it. घर से बाहर निकलने की जरूरत ही क्या है इनको? हम कमा के दे रहे हैं ना तुमको. घर पे रहो, बच्चे हैं, किचन संभालो. प्रॉब्लम क्या है तुमको? हाँ, शौक के लिए काम करना है करो, पैसे कमाने के पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? हम लाके देते हैं तुमको, क्या जरूरत है? तीसरा टाइप का आदमी होता है, ये बोलता है हाँ, बिल्कुल सही है, मैं बताता हूं क्या करना है. मतलब मेरी सुपीरियरिटी, मेरी सुनेगी तो करेंगे. इसको कहते हैं मैंसप्लेनिंग. So we saw this. Gender is a socially learned behavior. These are societal or society's expectations from men and women. बट दिस इज नॉट हार्ड एंड फास्ट कि पहले लोग हंसते थे, अरे ऑटो वाली आ गई, ट्रक चला रही है लेडीज. आज अगर कोई लड़की पेट्रोल पंप पे काम कर रही है तो इट्स नॉर्मल फॉर यू, राइट? सो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दीज थिंग्स हैव टू बिकम नॉर्मल. डिफरेंस बिटवीन इक्वालिटी एंड इक्विटी.
अरे इतनी जल्दी उठ गई. जा ब्रश कर. Beta, you have to finish your breakfast. Very nice. Finish this, okay? Toast.
Thank you.
क्या बनाया?
मेरे स्विमिंग पूल से.
मेरा भी तो बड़ा है.
ओह हाँ, आपकी कितनी फ्लोर की है? 1, 2.
Dinner finished. Story time.
कौन सी स्टोरी सुनोगी आज?
इसकी फेवरेट बर्फ वाली.
बर्फ वाली.
The cobbler made shoes. The
मम्मी पापा
निधि, sharing the load. It starts from those small actions. Those small actions show that you care. So men, do you care for all women in your life? It should not be only in words. It should be in actions. I urge all of you, at least all the men in this room, make that one change when you go home. कि घर का कोई एक छोटा काम जो माँ कर रही है, आपकी सिस्टर कर रही है, वो करने की कोशिश कीजिए. And see how they respond back to you. With so much love, they'll come back to you. So, what does the law say again? Gender equity क्या है? Right to be born. In India today, women do not have the right to be born also. Not only in India, globally, many countries. राइट टू ग्रो एंड डेवलप. 57% अगर स्कूल छोड़ देगी तो ग्रो क्या करेगी, डेवलप क्या करेगी? खाना कई घरों में मर्द पहले खाते हैं, फिर बचा होगा औरत खाएगी. हाउ विल दे ग्रो? वी स्टिल डोंट हैव द चॉइस टू डू थिंग्स ऑन योर ओन. वी जस्ट हैव टू लुक एट इट दैट वे कि हाउ आवर चिल्ड्रन एक्वायर दोज वैल्यूज फ्रॉम अस. योर चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू लुक एट यू, दे आर गोइंग टू लुक एट योर बिहेवियर and they are going to learn from that. Now it's up to you. My generation, our time is over. We are going to hand over the planet to you. And this is the psychological development of a child, right? Since early childhood, where there is shame, preschool, there is guilt, especially young girls. Even when they have the periods, there's a strong feeling of guilt that comes to them. We talk about empowerment, women empowerment. It's about education, All they are asking is equal right to get educated, equal right to be employed, confidence of being economically independent, and confidence of being a decision maker. 4 things. We'll end with this ad.
चाय मिल जाएगी आज?
सेल कहाँ है यार?
सुबह से चल रहा है ये आज। फोन लगा।
क्या माँ?
तू लगा रहा है या मैं लगा?
चाय बना दो। क्या कर रही हो? बन रही है चाय। मैं बना रहा हूं।
तू क्यों बनाएगा?
आओ।
खाने में क्या बनवाऊं?
आप क्या खाओगे?
कोल्हापुरी बना ली सर।
बना पाएगा?
सादा हो जाएगा ना थोड़ा। चाय तो बना दी तूने, पूरी और डाल दो। सुबह की ड्यूटी इसकी लगा दो चाय बनाने की।
लेकिन प्लीज किचन गंदा मत करो।
अब तक बैठा हुआ देखो।
क्या ट्रेनिंग दी है आपने?
जैसे मैंने से बड़ा किया है, मेरा सोचो तो।
सिखाया ही नहीं आपने।
ये क्या किया?
So that's all I had for you.
Still, society make questions on our clothing. We are wearing shorts, crop tops, or our stomach is visible, back is visible. So, on that note, what should we do or respond? Or it's not just we can ignore, but sometimes we have to say something. So,
Do you care about the society?
sometimes yes, because if someone says something to my parents, so I have to care about my society. Yes.
So you care about your society, right? The people who are around you. So let's say you're walking on the street wearing a short and somebody comments, you don't care, right? But you are in your society within your relatives, and if they comment, then it hurts. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So you care about that society. Now first thing is, I think dressing के कुछ rules है, right? We should dress appropriately, and I think there's no two ways about it. Don't listen to those people who say, you know, I will dress the way I want. ठीक है, you dress the way you want, but there's an occasion and there's a place for that dress. Okay, if I'm going to a disc, I can wear a short, I can wear loose clothes because I'm going to dance, I'm going to enjoy a drink, come back, that's fine. If I'm going for a marriage, I may have to dress appropriately. If I'm coming to office में there are different set of rules. So those are location appropriate dresses that we need to do. This is police data. The eve teasing or harassment specific to dress has happened to a lot of ladies where they wore an appropriate dress in an inappropriate place. We should have that rule ki yaar, where am I going and what sort of dress is acceptable there. That's the first thing. Second is, it will take time for this to change.
In our college, one interview have done, and during that interview, the only there are 3 rounds. So after the 3 rounds, only 6 girls have been selected, and 1 boy. And I can bet the boys who have been rejected, I can bet they have the best technical advantage over the girls. So And also, sir, recently I've heard the news that one transgender inclusion in the sports committee, the transgender in sports. So obviously the transgender has won over the girl. So do you think it is affecting the hardworking people? What are your thoughts on this?
The statistics is that 98% of posh cases are dismissed. Acquittal happens only in 2% cases. But there are hundreds of reasons for that, why that happens. Because it's very difficult to prove, and the lady who has some evidence वो फटाफट delete कर देती है सबसे पहले तो, है ना? तो डिजिटल एविडेंस नहीं रखती है, स्टिग्मा होता है कि यार मैं बोलूँगी मेरे घर वाले सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरा सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, मैं अकेली क्यों लड़ूँ, छोड़ देना यार, कर दिया ना, मैं कंपनी छोड़ के कहीं और चली जाती हूँ. तो इन सारी चीज़ों की वजह से they say 60% of the cases don't get reported. 60% of, forget sexual harassment. In India, 60% rapes do not get reported because of these reasons. कि यार ट्रॉमा हमको होगा, मेडिकल मेरी लड़की का करना पड़ेगा, न्यूज़ वाले आएंगे, पुलिस वाले 1000 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, वो वकील पता नहीं वहाँ क्या पूछेगा, पता चलेगा तो इससे शादी कौन करेगा. इतने 1000 रीजंस होते हैं कि हम इसको छुपा देते हैं पीछे.
There was women empowerment or women improvement. I want everyone to think for once. Is it women empowerment or women improvement? Because ma'am, there are cases where fake cases or false claims are made by women and it has been proved. Like I read one case in which a wife made a case on father-in-law, like she was raped or something like that, and his sister-in-law was watching it. So these are the cases where people are pushing women empowerment, but on the other side, men's empowerment or their status is declining somehow. So there are cases.
The cases that you said about misuse of these laws, special laws, whether it is, forget women, even atrocities on the so-called Dalits, right? तो atrocities का जब law आया तो बहुत सारे fake cases फाइल करते थे लोग कि किसी ने किसी को गाली दे दी तो वो केस फाइल कर दिया, and then people said नहीं withdraw कर दो. But when the statistics were checked, they realized कि बहुत ही rarest of the rare cases है ऐसे जहाँ पर ऐसा reverse हुआ है, and they said the larger good is happening. Now same goes for posh, right? We know that only 2% conviction is actually happening there. 98% acquittal. तब तो law को हटा देना चाहिए because it's not working. But it is working at a different level. Because of this law, because of these cases being filed, there's a fear in men. एक बंदे पे केस फाइल होता है, उस कंपनी के 1000 मैन उस केस को देखते हैं और वो डरते हैं वो करने से. तो that fear of that law that spreads through these cases.